Okay, continue. Something small and light. All I got. That's it. Oh, headlight bracket. Big hole. Hard to tell what it is when it looks like a bunch of plastic. Oh, I scratched it. Okay, that is a panhead headlight bracket. Early one. With hardware. Not genuine bolts though. See, it's got grade 5 on it. That means it's modern bolts, not original hardware. So they don't matter. They don't count. So this is your lower headlight bracket. So it goes on the foot and fork. It's got the big 7-inch headlight on it. Excuse me. I'm allergic to panhead parts. And this is the early solid mounted one. So later on they went to a big rubber mount that went in here. And I think that was in like 55 to 57 they went to the rubber mount. So I'll put in a title what this actually fits year-wise. This is not a 49 bracket, which would be the first one, because that was a triangular shaped bracket. They broke really, really bad. So they made it reinforced with all this lip on around, this thick outside lip going all the way around. So that was the reinforcement that came out probably a year or so later, a year and a half later. So this would not be correct for a 49, but it would be correct probably for a 50. Up to probably 54 at least. And like so I'm not sure what year they went to the rubber mount, but somewhere in that later 55 to 57 area. Not sure. This one's really nice condition. These being solid mount, they like to crack through the holes here where the bolts are. This one is not broken. And it's not really rusted either. Got a nice dome shape here, so light fits into it real nice still. And it's a pretty nice part still. So it'd be just fine for my 57 drag bike, because I don't want a bunch of crap in my drag bike. I want all the shaking to happen. I think I already got one on there welded up, but if it is, I'll take it off and put this one on there, because this one looks better. But yeah, only the best parts of my drag bike. Alright, there you go. And if you don't know what a 57 drag bike looks like, go look at my videos, you'll see. Alright, headlight bracket. Early 50s.